Now, to all returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going on episode 5. I'm going to be talking on the next array instance, which is every. Now, for those of us that do not know what every is, I'm going to be explaining it in details in this video. So stay tuned, and also don't forget to subscribe. Alright, it's important that you know that the every method of array instances will always return false if it finds one element in that array that does not satisfy the provided testing function. Otherwise, it's going to return true. Now, supposing we have an array that has irregular set of numbers, either it being from the beginning or from the end, we are going to create a function that would help us determine whether there is a number greater than 40, because everything in this array is below 40. So but we write a function that will tell us either true or false whether there is a number that is above 40. This is the testing function we are going to write. We are going to create a variable that stores a function that will name it is below the threshold. Below the threshold. And the current value, but the parameter will be the current value. Okay. The current value should always be greater than 40. Less than 40. Current value should be less than 40, not greater than 40, because there's no number that is greater than 40 here. Now, if we are to log it in our console, we'll get the array dot every, then we'll plug in our function in here. Now let's run it by clicking let's run it in our console by pressing node app.js, and let's see what we have. They said okay, I've seen where the issue is. We're not supposed to have any space over here, so with that I think that should be okay. Now let me clear my terminal, cls, and then let's run it one more time. Node app.js, then true. We have a response of true. Now this true signifies that our condition is very correct. If we look in our array, we have 1, 30, 39, 29, 40, 13. There is no number that is greater than 40. Now what if we make it in such a way, if we add 50 there, let's see what the result will look like. Now if I'm to run this one more time, and we have false. So the condition says that even if we have only one element that does not satisfy the condition, then it will return false. That is what the every method is all about. I hope I was very clear on this topic of every method, and it's quite an easy array instance. So if you do not understand what I meant in the video, you can tell me in the comment section, then I'll try to explain it to you, and also give you some resources that you will go and read on. Now thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next episode of this playlist. Ciao.